The liner brush is great for creating long, thin lines. It's got a flexible tip so that you can do curved lines and script. I'm going to use it to create some tree branches. Then you paint down with water so that the paint will flow off your brush easily. Press down to get thicker lines. And lift up the pressure to get thinner lines. The liner brushes come in a variety of sizes. Smaller ones make it really easy to create very thin lines. I like to hold the liner brush very close to the tip right here on the silver part, just like I would in a pencil, and then pull my lines from left to right, just like I would be doing if I was writing words with the pencil. If you need to, you can tilt your paper to make it easier to create your lines. By setting my brush down and dragging the tip and create some leaf shapes. You can even create a small bird silhouette. Let's see where we want to put him. I show how to do the background of this brush with the oval wash in one of my other videos. There we go. Cute little simple painting.